description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I got one that came by way of James from Lakeside, California. Thank you very much, dude. And this is a variety by Prince Katsu, which is done by Asha Dry Noodle. I think it's mainly just their Asha Dry Noodle USA who pulls this off, and Prince Katsu is one of their house brands. This is Prince Katsu, My Melody Chicken Lemongrass Pho. And this is from made in what do you call it? Vietnam. So you drop in your rice noodle, your vegetable. I like to say vegetable. How I say it. That's how it's pronounced. I also like to say, here are my... Whoa. You don't need to see up there. Oh my god. Poor form. I apologize. There's our vegetable. And then we have a liquid that is the base of the flavor. And boy, what a day we've had thus far. Wow. So it's cold, not as cold as it's been, but I took the kids to the bus and it was real slick. Like our entire parking lot was black ice. Got them up there, nobody fell or nothing. I was like, be careful, be careful, be careful. And then we get to the top and they get them on the bus. I'm like, all right, cool. And I'm like looking around when I'm coming back down because it's like this and we're right here on the hill. It's not really a steep hill per se, but it's a hill nonetheless. And you kind of gotta, when it's kind of inclement weather, if it's cold and stuff and it gets icy, you kind of want to walk like you got a Coke bottle shoved up your butt. But you know, you do the little, oh, I'm incredibly old, I mustn't slip on my beans kind of dance. And well, ladies and gentlemen, I slipped on my beans, and yeah, it's like my legs went opposite directions and kind of landed on my butt. I don't know, it was kind of like a slow motion, not cool. And I'm alive, but I feel kind of like, whoa. That was a bit of a shock to the system. But yeah. I'm alive! But yeah, I haven't like fallen on slip. Usually if it's too slippery, I'm like, forget it. But I didn't expect it because it was warmer last night. And the bus driver was like, oh yeah, we had an accident over by the middle school, the junior high, in the parking lot of the junior high, so you couldn't come in and out, so that's why I'm late. I'm thinking like, well, we were kind of late ourselves, so no, don't worry about it, you're good. 3-day weekend with the kids again. Last one was Martin Luther King's birthday. I think that's all that was going on. Oh yeah, my sister's birthday, January 20th, 2025. And again, happy birthday to my sister. And something else happened that day. Something stupid. I can't remember what. But yeah, so I think this Monday it's like a teacher's grading day or kind of teachers in service day, which basically means, yeah, sorry, you guys don't have school. Which is the way the kids look at it. Oh man. Half day Wednesdays, I would have been so stoked on. It's not even really a half day. It's like, the beeping. Yeah. It's not even a half day. It's more of an hour and a half shorter day on Wednesdays. I don't know why. I really don't understand it. But that's the deal. Every Wednesday. Yeah. Oh, it just gets weirder and weirder, folks. I'm sure you know of all the weirdness that could possibly happen in this great, wonderful place we live in. But I hope it hasn't gotten so weird that you're just like done. Can't be done. But anyways. But yeah, I think I'll probably be sore. So at least it's what, May where you're at. So I'm guessing it isn't. I mean, there are areas where it always is cold, but I'm guessing you're not dealing with frozen sidewalks or driveways or anything like that at this point, unless something cataclysmic has happened, and that could be possible. You know, we could be you guys could be having a nuclear winter as I speak. Hopefully not. Yeah. But let's try this. I think it'll be good. Well, that noodle is alright. I think 3 minutes is far too short. I think 4 would be a better call on this one. Let's try that broth. I need a spoon. There's a spoon. I've got another one that was sent by James. It's instead of My Melody on it, it has kuromi, and I think it's a spicy pho. So maybe I'll use the microwave directions on that one. Chicken lemongrass, huh? It's light. It's not bad. I mean, it's. I've been having like gunk with my nose lately and sneezing and all that stuff. This is rather relaxing. It's not bad at all, and I think it's perfect for this time of year. And it's going in this bowl, and it's going. Oops. On my phone. Did it go on my... Oh, it certainly did go on my phone, ladies and gentlemen. Some varieties just like to pounce when they... Oh, crap. Here, hold on. Turning that off. Giving it a wipe. I just did a software update on this phone, too, you know. My God. A wet phone is not a happy phone. Are we still connected with our magic? Oh! We are. Alright, cool. So you didn't miss any of the fun. So I am adding some chicken. I know, sparingly, right? I've got 3 varieties I'm doing today that do involve chicken, so I want to make sure that I got enough for all 3. And I'm going to be doing later today, not on this day that you're watching this, but it'll be in 2 days. There'll be a fancy mukbang that I'm doing, and I'm gonna try my new setup for that. I'm really excited. Can you tell? I am excited. Okay. Yeah, after slipping on the ice, like if I bend my knee and to get a bowl from or something from a low cupboard, it felt all of a sudden like some serious nerve pain. But honestly, other than that, I'm good. I'm gonna go out walking later, so once it thaws out. Alright, well, thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see comes from Nissen, Deutschland. This is Nissen, Germany, and their chicken-flavored deme ramen. You know, I really got to hit them up because I really like their deme ramen varieties. They're quite good. So, yeah, that'll be on the next episode of It's New Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Watch out for the ice. Have a good one. Bye-bye.